Can I use a 220 volts rated LED lamp on a 110 volts line? I am presuming the answer of this is no. I haven't tried to use a 220 volts bulb from the supplier before, but their supply of 110 volts or wide voltage bulbs is limited. E27 6-watt LED My S lamp code width 750 lumens 650K69 SMD AC 220 volts 240 volts. Is it safe to use this on a 110 volts power line? Question from user Archimedes Trajano at Stack Exchange. Answer: probably not, since it's an LED bulb. And while there seem to be very few details on the website, the link calls it out as 220,240 volts. Some wide-range LED supplies work from 85 volts to 277 volts, but this is almost certainly not one of those. An old-fashioned incandescent 240 volts bulb will work fine on 120 volts, at roughly 1/4 power, and thus it will be dim and yellow, but it will also last a very long time. But that is not what you linked. Answer from user Eknerwall at Stack Exchange.